If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After creating a data entry form in Access, you can use it to edit, create, and navigate table records. To open a data entry form, double-click the form in the list of forms shown in the navigation pane to open it in Form View, which is the default view for viewing and using the form electronically. Navigating in a data entry form is like navigating through records in the datasheet view of a table. To enter data into a form field, click into the field and then type the data. If the field is not read-only, you should be able to edit its data. To move to the next field based on the tab order of the form controls, press the Tab key on your keyboard. To move to the previous field based on the tab order of the form controls, press the Shift plus Tab keys on your keyboard. You also have the same record navigation buttons in the lower left corner of the data entry form that you have in the datasheet view of a table. You can also use these buttons to move through the table records. To view the first record in the form, click the First Record button. To view the previous record in the form, click the Previous Record button. To view the next record in the form, click the Next Record button. To view the last record in the form, click the Last Record button. Finally, to create a new blank record at the end of the form, click the New Blank Record button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.